Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on addition formulas in Microsoft Excel. So how about addition formulas in Microsoft Excel? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. The first way, suppose I will add up apples from January to June. Then move the cursor to total. Type equals. And tap the number you want to add up. Tap January. Tap February. Tap March. Tap April. Tap May. Tap June. And tap Enter. Here the addition result will come out. For the one below, to make it faster, tap on the first total. Then click the plus sign. And drag down. And automatically follow the previous formula and the one to the side. Here I will calculate the total number of fruits in January. Same as before. Type equals. Then tap. One by one to be added up. Then tap Enter. Tap plus and drag to the side. The second way. Utilize the AutoSum menu. Tap on the total table. Tap the AutoSum menu on the top right. Next, the block that will be added from January to June. And tap Enter. For the next one, we can block what will be added from January to June. Then tap AutoSum and press Enter. And block and tap the arrow button and drag down. For the bottom side, the method is the same. Tap on the total table. Tap the AutoSum menu on the top right. Next, the block that will be added from all the number of fruits in January. And tap Enter. For the next one. Then tap AutoSum and press Enter. And block and tap the arrow button and drag it to the side. The last way. That is an easy way for us to use. Block everything that we will add up on apples. From January to June. And to add up, tap on the keyboard. Alt equals. Then the second row. Block everything that we will add up from January to June. And to add up, tap on the keyboard. Alt equals. For the next one, tap plus. And drag down. Block everything that we will add up on all the number of fruits in January. From top to bottom in January. And to add up, tap on the keyboard. Alt equals. For the next one, tap plus. And drag to the side. So that's it. Tutorial addition formulas in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.